This video will show you how to install a BRK hardwired smoke alarm using a Nest Protect or Kidda adapter plug. If you're replacing your existing Nest Protect or Kidda smoke alarm with a new BRK hardwired smoke alarm, there is a possibility that the wiring harness connector might not fit. To avoid having to rewire the harness yourself or hire an electrician, you can use adapter plugs during smoke alarm installation. Please note that a Kidda plug does come with a new detector, and additional Nest and Kidda adapter plugs are sold separately. A Nest adapter plug does come in the box of a newly purchased SC5 Smart Smoke and CO alarm. In this video, we will demonstrate using a Kidda adapter plug. In addition to the contents that come in the package of your new alarm, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and a pen. You will also need a sturdy ladder tall enough. Before getting started, shut off the power at the circuit breaker in the area where you're installing the new alarm. Next, remove the old alarm. If you have any non-first alert or non-BRK alarms, remove those too. There is no guarantee that the different brands are compatible for interconnect. Refer to the alarm's specific user manual for instructions on how to remove the device. Next, unplug the wiring harness by squeezing the tabs and pulling it apart. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the old alarm's mounting plate and remove it from the wall or ceiling. Line the new mounting plate up with the existing holes on the junction box and screw it into place. Always install the plate supplied with the new alarm. Make sure the plate flushes with the ceiling or wall. Plug the adapter plug into the existing harness and then connect the alarm to the other end. It should click into place. Continue mounting the alarm onto the mounting plate and restore power to the junction box. If the green LED light indicator illuminates, then the detector is receiving power. If you're installing during a construction or renovation phase, attach the protective dust cover included in the box now to keep the sensor clear until the site is clean. Once mounted, test the alarm to verify proper operation by pushing the test button. For smoke, you'll hear a 3-beep sequence, a short pause, and then the same 3-beep sequence again. For carbon monoxide, the alarm will produce 4 beeps, followed by a pause, and then repeat the 4-beep sequence. Testing confirms both the sensor and the horn are functioning correctly. If there is not enough room for the adapter plug and additional wiring to fit in the junction box, the old power connector must be replaced with the connector that came in the box. You should use the first alert BRK wire harness if the adapter plug doesn't work. For full installation instructions, including wiring and mounting the alarm, refer to the user manual or watch the Install a Hardwired BRK Alarm video. If necessary, contact an electrician for installation. Always take your province or territory's local laws, regulations, and building codes before installing smoke alarms to ensure the installation meets all required safety standards. For technical support or additional product documentation, visit BRK Support Resources or contact your distributor. Thanks for watching.